In this video, we're looking at scholarly articles, why they're important in your college-level research, how they differ from popular articles, and the key indicators that will help you identify them. In your college courses, you'll notice your professors often emphasize or even require the use of scholarly articles in your research papers and projects. Why? Because these articles provide a strong, credible foundation for your ideas. They represent in-depth research and analysis conducted by experts in their fields. You might encounter a lot of information through magazines, newspapers, and general websites. These are often considered popular sources since they're written for a general audience. While they can be informative for general knowledge, they typically don't delve as deeply into their subject. Scholarly articles, on the other hand, are written by academic scholars and researchers. A crucial aspect that sets them apart is the peer review process. This means that before a scholarly article is published, it's rigorously evaluated by other experts in the same field to ensure its accuracy, credibility, and authority. This process helps maintain high standards of research and knowledge sharing. So how can you tell if an article is scholarly? Here are some key things to look for. Author credentials. Often you'll find the author's credentials listed, such as a PhD or their affiliation with a university or research institution. Abstract. Most scholarly articles include an abstract, which is a brief summary of the article's main points and research findings. This gives you a quick overview before you dive into the full text. Length. Scholarly articles tend to be more in-depth and therefore longer than popular articles. While popular pieces might just be a few pages, scholarly articles can often be 10 pages or longer. Specialized language. You'll likely encounter specialized vocabulary and terminology related to the subject matter, indicating the author's expertise. Bibliography or reference list. A hallmark of scholarly work is the inclusion of footnotes or a comprehensive bibliography at the end. This lists all the sources the author used, allowing you to verify the information and explore related research. Database indicators. Finally, some library databases will clearly label scholarly articles. They may use the term peer-reviewed or academic journal article instead. Not all databases do this, so you'll need to be familiar with the other indicators we've discussed. You might be wondering where to find these types of articles. While a general web search is occasionally useful, for reliable scholarly sources, the GSU Library website is your best starting point. We subscribe to hundreds of academic databases that give access to scholarly sources you won't find with a Google search. Other videos on our channel show you how to use these article databases. If you're not sure whether an article you've found is scholarly, don't hesitate to ask a librarian or your professor for clarification. We can guide you in the right direction.